Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cut and split clips in Splice. Splice is a powerful yet beginner-friendly mobile video editor that allows you to trim, split and arrange clips with precision, whether you're creating vlogs, TikToks, travel edits or the school project. Knowing how to cut and split clips properly is one of the most important editing skills. First, in order to cut and split, you need to open to your Splice and start a project. If you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the Play Store or App Store and download it from there as well. And over here you can either select with this new project or you can also go with the draft. And after that you'll get into this editing interface, and once inside the editor you'll see a video displayed in the timeline at the bottom. This is where all the cutting and splitting happens. Move the playhead like this, yell the vertical line to the exact moment where you want to cut the clip here, and you need to select the clip, and on the bottom you can find this duration filter. Simply slide a bit until you find this split here, tap on the split, and that is it. This is how you can split your clip, and your single clip will now become two separate clips. You can repeat this process multiple times to create several smaller sections. And if you want to remove part of a clip, what you can do is first split the clip at the beginning of the unwanted section. After that you can simply select the unwanted clip just like this, and on the bottom tap on the delete. And thank you for watching this video. Comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.